You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of Don Quixote's horse. We'll be looking at how to say more names from Don Quixote as well, from the book. So make sure to stay tuned to learn more. Loads to learn on this channel. Rocinante, Rocinante is how it's said. Originally in Spanish, you can say it as Rocinante, Rocinante from Spanish, Rocinante. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.